1,
Do you understand what I'm saying?
2,
Does that make sense?
3,
Do you know what I mean?
4,
Are you with me so far?
Often used in the middle of a long explanation or instructions.
5,
Is that clear?
Often used after giving orders or expressing disapproval or another negative attitude.
1,
I need a little help.
2,
Could you help me out?
3,
Could you give me a hand?
Usually used for physical tasks.
4,
Could you spare a couple minutes?
5,
Could you do me a favor?